All right, let's talk about the elephant in the proverbial room. Crypto is dead until something happens, and it's only a matter of time. So, this is not a crypto is dead, you need to sell everything and go hide under your mattress type of video. That's not what this is. But this is a narrative, a continuation of a theme that we've been seeing play out now for a while. We're going to break into this and discuss everything. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. As always, I appreciate you. So, let's get into this. Okay. So, right now, crypto is down 3.6%, hundreds of millions of dollars in market capitalization. That number right there wiped out in the last 24 to 36 hours, just gone. Bitcoin down 4.5%, Ethereum down 3. And you can see, there's a few outliers that are moving up, but for the most part, we've got red across the board. Okay. And so going back to the top of the video, when I talked about the fact that crypto is dead until something happens, here's what I really want to stress to you. I use the word dead to get your attention. Crypto is by no means dead. Crypto is the last financial frontier. Crypto is something that's going to continue to become even more pervasive in our lives, in our children's lives, our grandchildren, all that kind of stuff. Future generations, it's going to be a central part of their world in one way or other. But right now, it's dead. Right now, it's boring. Right now, there is nothing going on. We all know it. We all see it. We all feel it. And let's just be honest with ourselves. It is what it is. It's scary right now because there's volatility. You can open up a position on Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then you come up the next day and you're down 5%, right? It's just not a whole hell of a lot of fun. But there is a light at the end of the tunnel, okay? And so what I want to share with you in that capacity is specific timelines and some things that are going on. Number one, the Bollinger Bands around Bitcoin are getting tight. They're tightening up, which historically has signaled a breakout, has signaled the fact that we would be moving up. It's also signaled volatility. Okay. So, which makes sense. We're going to have volatility in the next 3 or 4 weeks leading into this event, leading into kind of what I'm going to share with you here in just a minute. But you need to know that we've got a couple of factors at play here, right? We've got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting coming in at the end of September. We're hearing rumblings and rumors, and well, more than that, that we're going to get a Federal Reserve interest rate reduction. I think that's going to be a positive thing. It's going to happen towards the middle and end of September. We've got Bollinger Bands tightening up. Historically, that signals a pretty massive breakout. If you go back and look at all those, at previous times when that's happened, it has signaled a breakout. Okay. But it's also been a period of volatility, which again, we're in right now. Remember, we're in volatility, hundreds of millions of dollars wiped out. We can't go anywhere. We have down days followed by up days. Down 3.6. Tomorrow will be up a point, but a volatility. Here's what I wanted to share with you. Okay. And I'm going to cut to the chase. Bitcoin is 125 days after the halving. We had the halving on April 19th. Bitcoin tends to break out into the parabolic phase of the cycle some 160 days after the halving. If history repeats, Bitcoin can be just over a month away from breakout. That's late September. That's what you need to know. Crypto is going to be dead, air quotes, until basically we see the end of September. Remember, you got Federal Reserve FOMC interest rate reduction. You've got Bollinger Bands that are tightening up and which historically have signaled a significant positive outcome, after that tightening factor, if you will. Sorry, I lost track of what I was trying to say there. And then you've got the Bitcoin having historical. If you go back and look at previous halving cycles, you've got that 160 days after the halving. That puts us on track for late September. We got a lot of things queuing up for the 3 weeks approximately from now, putting us in the last week of September. So dead until then, crypto is. This is big crypto news. This is what we got. It is what it is. So get your house in order, right? Get yourself ready for that time that is coming. Get your cash positions ready, get your stable coin, whatever it is, sell off maybe any dead weight crypto that is not doing anything. I'm just kind of giving you some advice here, right? Obviously, videos for entertainment purposes only. Don't sell something and take a loss, but get your house in order and get ready for the significant bull rally that's coming. And we're dead until then, which is a period of quiet, and that's okay. Go make some money. I'll see you.